The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I leave that video with you, my viewers and subscribers, I have some pieces of audios that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And these pieces of audios, they have been put together and put out there on social media. And according to what had been said on social media about these pieces of audios, is that these pieces of audios are about persons talking about the incident that happened at Horizon Park, that is of the parish of St. Catherine, that's of the country of Jamaica, when 4 police officers had been shot by gunmen. And it is said that out of the 4 police officers who had been shot by gunmen, it is said that 2 police officers had died. And it is said that this incident had happened on the 12th of June 2020. Now, you might hear some things in these audios that I cannot explain because I do not have any confirmed information about these audios. Alright? But I'm presenting these pieces of audios to you, my viewers and subscribers, because they're out on social media and they're being talked about on social media. Comments have been made about these pieces of audios on social media, and I'm bringing these pieces of audios to you, my viewers and subscribers, to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. And you can also let me know what you think about these pieces of audios. All right. Now, the question that I'm asking you, my viewers and subscribers, are these persons actually talking about the incident that happened at Horizon Park? Let me know what you think, alright? Now, as I'm about to present these pieces of audios to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the things that you are about to hear in these pieces of audios might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here are the pieces of audios. Take a listen and observe.
Daddy, based on what me here, and that time I nigga they move up on the ground there. The man they must say, brother, the whole life fucking police and I get shot serious. He just said, alright, the man they must say him, the corporal, the man they must say him get shot in the head. Cause man them say him go in first. You see me? Him go in first. And like as him clear, as him push the door and for go in, one to him fucking head. You see me say, man, them say feel more over there, so me find place there. You see me there, but all of the man them serious, and I know 1 and 2 shot the man get. A multiple shot the man them get dark. So don't be surprised if you say, here's a man them succumb there. We just hope the man them pull through.
Brother, may I tell you, say, yo, you see from when me there, brother, the amount of blood, and you can hear, say, yo, a lone rifle a beat, you know, brother. Lone rifle a beat. Yo, you can hear 6 pants different. You can say, alright. Them there are police. But you see everything else. But me I say, boom, yo, a be a shot fire in the dog. Buckler, me I tell you right round this from me. So me I tell you, say, yo, me hear the thing up close, brother, up close to blood. Now when I tell me, I wonder if I be like man I run in that place and be a little sitting, brother, me I say, yo, John, me I feel pray me hard to see if nobody are running. You see me?
Alright, you see vehicle crash, assist them, I got assist and turn over the vehicle. Them are not part of the shooting, you see me? But man, them say it's like how we have full look vehicle on about the lockups vehicle R06. We no good. Yeah, and them has a complaint about it. It so happen that them did the closest to the shooting and a try respond dog and lose control of the vehicle and crash. But the ambush and get ambush man, no gunman no get shot. Until them get say man them a transfer gun and a little team saying yeah, them running panic dog. Or straight ambush dog, straight ambush. Straight ambush. Now what maybe doubt if a man them fire a shot. I think I just take him and them a try to take with them body. I mean say police get a whole heap of shot. I say 2 of them dead. We get all the picture them all go with 2 police, them they say dead. And man say man them fuck up Clooney's upper body shot. Get shot in their mouth all over. Grimy dog. Grimy a fuck. No, daddy, the men were ambushed. Right, dog, I just remember I sent out a voice note, dog, from out of my group. Brother, the man them did up on the radio, a ball, literally a ball out. You may tell you, gunshot. The man them a high powered rifles, the man them a fire, brother. And them police don't panic, dog. If them only panic, the man them panic if run left then gun and run go for cover. Only panic that the man them panic, daddy. Yeah, only panic that the man them panic, dog. I tell you.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The pieces of audios that have been put together and put out there on social media. And according to what had been said on social media about these pieces of audios is that persons are talking about the incident that happened at Horizon Park. Alright, let me know what you think, is what I'm saying to you. Let me know if you think that they're actually talking about the incident that happened at Horizon Park or not. Let me know what you think about the audios that I just presented to you, and I'm going to move on right about now to the video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now the video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video shows a person talking about the incident that happened at Horizon Park. Now this person talked about the incident that happened at Horizon Park, and this person also went on to talk about an incident that happened where it is said that a person had been shot by the police within the country of Jamaica on the same day that the incident happened at the place that is known as Horizon Park in St. Catherine. You see me? Now the person who had been shot and killed, viewers and subscribers, for those who might not know, there's reports out there that a person who is said to be one of the suspects in the incident that happened at Horizon Park, St. Catherine, Jamaica on the 12th of June 2020 when 4 police officers had been shot by gunmen. And 2 of those 4 police officers had died and the other 2 police officers had been hospitalized, or you could say they had been injured. Is what I'm saying to you? Well, according to reports, it is said that one of the suspects of that incident had been shot and killed by the police within the country of Jamaica at a place that is known as Corville Gardens, Kingston, Jamaica. You get what I'm saying to you? Now this person in the video that I'm about to present to you is talking about that incident, and the person is also talking about the incident that happened when police officers had been shot and 2 police officers had lost their life. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, some of the things that this person had said, some persons on social media agreed with some of the things that this person had said, while other persons had other things to say about some of the things that this person had said in this video. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said, and you can also let me know what you think. You can tell me if you agree with some of the things that this person had said, or if you do not agree with some of the things that this person had said. That's what I'm saying to you. Alright, now I'm going to leave the video with you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Blessed love of my people. First, I want to say condolences to the family members for the slain police officers that we pass on. You understand? With what go on in Spanish Town. You understand? Spanish Town is my place and Spanish Town I live. And I really want to say condolence to the family. A matter of fact, condolence to the families of everybody who knows and lost somebody through crime, which I mash up Jamaica, I tell you. You understand? As soon as we get a little relief from the curfew thing and for the COVID thing and him something, they look like they want them just take up where them they left off. And not look good because we see a spike in a crime all about. Yeah man, all about man, like the demons them come out. But I want to shed a little light on something, you see. You don't have to agree with me, you know. Like I always say, you don't have to agree with me, but I just shed a light on something, you see. And when I say I don't attack the Jamaica Constabulary Force or the government or nothing. But I don't know if you don't realize them actually kill back somebody with them say was responsible. One of the person was just responsible for the act of going with the killing of the police officers them. You understand? And shoot out to go on. But I realize that happened in less than 24 hours. You understand? Which is expected still. Because you know if them kill police, them are going to do thorough investigation and everything will go on and him something. But my concern is about Jamaica now. I go up on a Jamaica scale. I wish if Jamaicans overall could get the same treatment. The people who missing, the people who lost their family member through violence, criminal activities or anything, if them could have get the same justice from the police force in terms of them act speedy, the detective them work fast, everything just work fast, seem like how them work fast on the case and a Spanish town. And like when I say, I not bash the police force, I'm not go that on them, but that raise an eyebrow to me in the sense where I know say, yo, sometimes them people them can do them job better. You understand? Because the police them get shoot up and within less than 12 hours. You understand? Them find information with the man there and them go kill man and them send out pictures of people and them stuff there. And in Jamaica culture, them say we don't like police. So we don't give no information. But clearly them get information. Me just I say, me think the police force need to put that urge there with them they have to catch the killers, them will kill the police officers upon the citizens of Jamaica and people overall, the missing people, the girl are blind. You understand? We not really hear much about she. I feel that them can do more thorough investigation towards she, and enough people are missing too. You get what I say? And a matter of fact too, one pretty levels is a corruption going overall in Jamaica. You understand? Enough people don't want to talk about them things, but there's a corruption going all over Jamaica. Because there are people who benefit from when bullets are sold. There's people who benefit from when people are dead. There's people who benefiting from all of the wickedness we are going on in Jamaica. Somebody a benefit. But I one thing for sure, me know say, I can't poor man benefit. Because a poor man can't get certain things come through off. Jamaica don't make gun, we don't make bullet. You understand? So somebody a benefit. Somebody a benefit, and we now have to go too deep. We know say, yo, somebody will have money, we are investing in the country. We have money to invest in the country and invest it in a gun. You understand? That's one of the things that we are mash up Jamaica. And the corruption we are mash up Jamaica. We know some of the citizens them free for talking. The same thing, you go to an officer, you report a case about something, the same police them go back and tell the same set of man them with them. So it's a big corruption Jamaica. So the thing not easy to solve, but them can start by solving it, by solving some like a small case. I just that me I say.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah me now. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.